Hello, this is Imi from iTradeAims.net with another quick Forex analysis or a trade idea, this time on Euro USD. Today is NFP day. Normally the market is not very movie in the morning, right? It doesn't have that much, but today it was okay. So yesterday we have seen a very strong move down, then it goes sideways, and this is what we call the H1-M5 method. What I'll do is that around the Frankfurt Open, I want to see what happened yesterday. So yesterday I know that it was a bear trend day. Then I want to see if it stayed sideways during Asian session. What I saw was that it did stay sideways, but it was going up and down. And around this time, the idea was maybe it's going into a new trend, but it didn't. It was followed by a trend candle over here, but I was not interested yet because I identified these levels. And I had this line, and then I was waiting for it to break. And when this broke, that was the time for me to go to the M15 chart or the M5 chart. But I went to the M5 chart. I saw this, it started going sideways, and after I received a 2 signal here, I put it in the Discord channel saying this, that, yep, here it is. So it was 10 o'clock UK, short EU now, risky, but worth it. Have a plenty of stock to dispose. Basically what I meant was that I was already up 5R for the day, so I could take this trade, and the trade is here, and that's what I took over here. I went to make breakfast. It came down about 0.6 or 0.7 pips near my target point, turned around, stopped me out, then came down and hit the target again. It happens. Makes me angry. I have every right to be angry if that's how I process my emotions. I did that, and now I'm sitting. I'm going to hit the gym and we'll come back for NFP. See you.